Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to English Flow Podcast, where real English come to life. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. We're so glad you're here. Today's episode is one of the most practical and honestly, one of the most fun topics we've ever done.
Absolutely, because today we're talking about how to talk about yourself in English.
Yep. Whether you're meeting new people, starting a new job, introducing yourself in class, or even chatting online, you need to know how to talk about a you.
And let's be honest, talking about ourselves can feel a little awkward sometimes, right? Especially in another language.
Exactly. But don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll feel confident introducing yourself naturally, sharing personal details, and even adding a bit of your personality to your English.
We'll go over some useful words and phrases, listen to a short, realistic dialogue, and of course, learn how to sound smooth and natural, just like native speakers.
So, grab your notebook, your coffee, or maybe your headphones if you're on the go, and let's get your English flowing.
All right, before we dive into the main conversation, let's go over some key vocabulary you'll hear today.
We've picked out 5 really useful words and phrases that will help you describe yourself clearly and confidently. Background.
Background means your personal history, where you come from, what you've studied, or what you've done before.
Example. I have a background in graphic design.
So it's like your story so far, your experiences.
Exactly. It's great for professional or formal situations. Number 2.
You probably know this one. Hobbies are the activities you like doing in your free time.
Example. My hobbies include reading and playing the guitar. It's a classic topic in small talk. Everyone loves to share what they do for fun.
And it's also a great way to connect with people. You might find common interests.
Number 3. Personality. Personality means your character, how you think, feel, and behave. Example. She has a friendly personality.
It's useful when you want to describe who you are, not just what you do.
Right? Because we're more than our jobs or studies.
Number 4. Ambitious. This is a nice word to describe someone who wants to achieve great things. Example. I'm an ambitious person. I always set high goals for myself.
It's positive and confident. Just don't confuse it with aggressive.
Ha ha ha. Yes. Ambitious is about motivation, not fighting people in the office.
Number 5. Easygoing. Easygoing describes someone relaxed and not easily stressed. Example. People say I'm easygoing because I stay calm even in busy situations.
A perfect word for describing your personality in a friendly way.
Great. So we've got background, hobbies, personality, ambitious, and easygoing. Remember these, because you'll hear them in the next section.
Great. So we've got background, hobbies, personality, ambitious, and easygoing. Remember these because you'll hear them in the next section.
2 classmates, Liam and Sophia, meet on their first day of an English-speaking course.
Hey there. Is the seat taken?
Nope, go ahead. Are you in the same English class?
Yeah, I think so. I'm Liam. Nice to meet you.
I'm Sophia. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from, Liam?
I'm from Canada, actually. How about you?
I'm from Brazil. Wow, it's so cool meeting people from different countries here.
Totally. So what's your background?
I studied business at university, and I've been working in marketing for about 2 years. How about you?
I have a background in computer science. I've been working as a software engineer for a few years now.
That sounds interesting. Do you like it?
Yeah, I do. It can be stressful sometimes, but I enjoy solving problems. What about you, and do you like marketing?
Oh yes, I love being creative and connecting with people. It really suits my personality.
That's great. So what kind of things do you like to do outside of work?
I have a few hobbies. I like painting, hiking, and trying new restaurants. What about you?
I'm into photography and playing the guitar. I find music really relaxing.
Oh, nice. I wish I could play an instrument.
You can always learn. I started during lockdown. YouTube was my teacher.
Haha, that's awesome. You sound pretty ambitious.
Maybe a little. I like setting goals for myself. What about you?
Yeah, same here. But I'm also quite easygoing. I try not to stress too much if things don't go perfectly.
That's a good balance. Ambitious and easygoing.
Hahaha, thanks. So, what made you want to take this English course?
I want to improve my speaking confidence. I use English for work, but I feel nervous when presenting.
Oh, I totally get that. I'm the same. I understand a lot, but when I try to talk fast, my brain just freezes.
Yeah, it's like your words are still loading, like a slow computer.
Haha, exactly. Hopefully this course helps us both.
I'm sure it will. Maybe we can practice together sometime?
That would be great. Let's do it.
Okay, that was a conversation between Sophia and Liam. All right, friends, that's a wrap for today's episode of English Flow Podcast.
Today, we learned how to talk about ourselves in English, from vocabulary like background, hobbies, and ambitious, to natural expressions like, it suits my personality, and let's do it. We also practice sounding more natural, like saying, I'm really into, instead of, I like to.
So, try introducing yourself to someone this week, maybe in your English class, at work, or even online.
And don't forget to smile. That's the most universal language of all.
Beautifully said.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
And we'll see you next time on English Flow Podcast, where real English comes to life.